If you're searching for the latest Hostinger coupon code and an easy-to-understand Hostinger review, this video will help you unlock one of the best web hosting deals available right now. When you go through the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, you'll automatically receive an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months during sign-up. What makes this offer different is that many links online only include about a 10% extra discount, while this one gives a full 20% extra discount together with 3 additional months, making it one of the strongest Hostinger offers currently available. If the pricing shown on the page doesn't match your region, simply click the flag icon in the top right corner, choose your country, and the pricing will refresh instantly. In this Hostinger review, you get fast website performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and LiteSpeed servers designed for better optimization. The Hostinger website builder makes it easy to create a professional website without technical knowledge. Hostinger is often ranked among the best web hosting platforms for both personal and business websites. And every hosting plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee for extra peace of mind. The extra 20% discount combined with the 3 bonus months helps reduce the final price by a noticeable amount. So if you're ready to launch your website, just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the full offer instantly. And if your project grows later, Hostinger gives you advanced solutions like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N for easier scaling. To get the highest savings available, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to secure your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.